Number 1. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1964 Rambler Classic 660, available in Pedricktown, New Jersey, priced at $8,500. This red sedan with 120,000 miles on the odometer offers a classic driving experience. Under the hood, it features a 196 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car starts right up and runs great, offering manual steering and drum brakes on all 4 wheels. The Rambler's body is in excellent shape, with only a few dings and completely rust-free. Aside from the radio, all other parts of the car are original. That said, there are a few things that could use some attention. The fuel gauge and wipers are currently not functioning, and the front seat needs new upholstery. For those seeking a classic car ready to hit the road and who appreciate original condition, this Rambler is a solid contender. The seller is primarily interested in trades for cars of the same generation or G-body models.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Up for sale is a 1967 Ford Fairlane 500 located in Holbrook, New York. This car is offered for $9,999. Under the hood, there's an engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the odometer shows 39,000 miles. This Ford Fairlane 500 is an all-original car. Its body is painted green, and inside you'll find a tan interior that's in excellent condition. This is a huge plus, a testament to how well the interior has held up over the years. The car starts right up and drives strong. However, it's worth noting that this Fairlane 500 definitely needs some tender loving care, as the current owner points out. This is a great opportunity for someone ready to roll up their sleeves and whip this classic Ford into shape, while preserving its authenticity. The price of $9,999 reflects its current condition and potential for a future project. Number 3. Here's a fantastic opportunity for any classic car enthusiast, a 1954 Chevrolet Classic 150. This car is located in Selden, New York, and it's going for $9,800. With 60,000 miles on the odometer, this ride is ready to cruise right off the lot, and the title is in hand. Under the hood of this Chevy is an inline 6-cylinder Blue Flame engine, 235 cubic inches, that recently got a refresh. It runs strong and drives like a dream. The 3-speed manual transmission with a column shifter adds to its authenticity. It recently got new wide whitewall tires, a new battery, and a Flowmaster Series 40 exhaust system. The interior is in near perfect shape. New headliner, reupholstered seats, a great-looking dash, and the radio and all lights are in working order. The undercarriage and body structure are also in good condition. A restoration was done in the mid-90s by the third owner, which included some amateur bodywork. It's not a show car, but it certainly looks sharp going down the road. Number 4. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. Today, we're checking out a 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic sedan 4-door located in Chesapeake, Virginia. For $9,500, you get a car with only 80,000 miles on the odometer in green. Under the hood, this Caprice boasts a 305 cubic inch small block Chevy engine, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This combo is known for being bulletproof. The car fires right up and runs like a champ, delivering solid performance down the road. It holds its own in traffic and is good to go for long hauls. The interior is one area where this sedan could use a little tender loving care. But even with that, the seller still calls it a dependable ride. The owner is currently testing the waters and is open to trades for something that catches their eye. Number 5. Dive into automotive history with this 1974 Chevrolet Nova, available in Troy, Michigan for $4,450. This is the very model your grandparents drove to the A&P for groceries, and it's a classic cruiser for Woodward Avenue. Under the hood, you'll find a 250 cubic inch straight six engine mated to an automatic transmission. The odometer on this Nova reads 107,600 miles. The exterior is brown with a beige interior. The car starts and runs without a hitch, and the body condition is surprisingly good with very little rust. The seller notes that finding a car like this in Michigan in similar condition for less than $6,000 would be tough. This Nova is a no-nonsense option. Number 6. This 1964 Ford Galaxie from Brookville, Pennsylvania promises a spirited ride thanks to its powerful big block Ford engine and classic rear-wheel drive. It's been fully restored and has only clocked between 5,000 and 10,000 miles since the restoration. The exterior and brand new interior are decked out in blue, creating a cohesive and stylish look, while an automatic transmission ensures a smooth ride. Under the hood of this beauty, a big block Ford lurks, ready to put a smile on its new owner's face. However, full disclosure, on its way to the NSRA national competition, the car was involved in an accident and sustained damage. Still, that doesn't take away from its overall appeal, especially considering the price tag. The car is being offered for $8,000, which is a very reasonable asking price, as it's less than half the money already invested in its restoration. The seller, a disabled Vietnam veteran, honestly admits he simply doesn't have the energy or the time left to finish the repairs. This offer is for someone looking for a project with a significant amount of work already done and is ready to complete the restoration of this Galaxie themselves. Number 7. Perfect for those who appreciate vintage automotive craftsmanship, this 1966 Dodge Charger is waiting in Sandusfield, Massachusetts. For $8,500, you get a car that has 80,000 miles on it. Most importantly, it's running, starts, and drives under its own power. Under the hood, it packs a 361 cubic inch V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission. It's got a green exterior, and inside, you'll find a black interior. The seller is upfront that this is a project car, which speaks to its condition and likely explains the price tag. It's not a bad option if you're looking for a solid foundation for future work or simply want a 1966 Dodge Charger that's already ready to roll. At $8,500, this is a deal for those ready to invest their elbow grease and time into a project. Number 8. Step into a piece of history with this 1964 Plymouth Valiant, available in Lewisburg, West Virginia for $3,500. This white sedan with a gold interior comes equipped with a slant 6 engine and an automatic transmission. Most importantly, it's a runner and ready to hit the road. Despite showing 123,456 miles on the odometer, this Plymouth Valiant has received a significant overhaul of its brake and fuel systems. All brake lines and hoses, along with the master and wheel cylinders, have been replaced with new ones. The fuel tank and sender unit are also brand new. This means the most crucial components for safe and reliable driving have already been taken care of. Thanks to these upgrades, this Valiant offers a straightforward ownership experience. Just hop in and go. With the refreshed systems, it promises confident motoring. Offered at a price of $3,500, the seller is not considering trades. Number 9. Here's a classic 1969 Plymouth Fury 3, up for grabs in Manchester, New Hampshire for $3,000. This vehicle is for sale or trade. The seller is currently just testing the waters and primarily looking for trades, which means there's plenty of wiggle room for negotiation. Under the hood of this Plymouth is a 318 engine, and a 727 automatic transmission puts the power to the ground. The body is painted white with a black interior. Clocking in at 94,000 miles, the car starts right up and drives. A 1969 Plymouth Fury 3 is a machine that could be your next project. It offers a solid foundation for you to roll up your sleeves and get it into tip-top shape, all while keeping that classic cruiser vibe intact. Number 10. Presenting a 1970 Ford Thunderbird Landau located in Chillicothe, Ohio. This two-door coupe, priced at $10,000, stands out because of its condition, with only 32,472 original miles on the odometer. Its brown exterior and gold interior are entirely factory correct. Under the hood is a 429 four-barrel Thunderjet engine, paired with an automatic transmission, and the car runs and drives quite well for its age. This Thunderbird's body is rust-free and features solid factory construction. The interior is completely original and looks very good. Highlights include the original owner's manuals, sales literature, and even the factory build sheet, which is still under the trunk mat. The original wheels and hubcaps are also still present. Keep in mind, however, that the factory air conditioning is currently not working. Also, there is one blemish in the original paint on the left rear quarter panel, though the paint itself retains a good shine. The seller is open to reasonable offers and may be interested in trades for a 3/4 ton or 1 ton truck. Number 11. Here's a rare find for classic car enthusiasts, a 1957 Ford Custom 300, available in Ashburnham, Massachusetts. This four-door sedan features a 223 six-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission showing 100,000 miles on the odometer. Both the exterior and interior are a matching green inside and out, and it comes with a clean Massachusetts title. The current paint has some wear, but the car still looks good, and that goes for the interior too. This Custom 300 is described as a fun cruiser, perfect for family road trips or for someone just getting into the classic car scene. Included in the sale are an uninstalled disc brake conversion kit, new skirts, and new rear springs, ready for some future upgrades. This Ford is offered at $8,500, with the owner open to reasonable offers. However, bids of $5,000 will not be accepted, and the seller is not considering trades for newer vehicles, motorcycles, boats, or heavy equipment. The car is being sold because it's her mother's car, and it has been driven less and less as the years have gone by, now hardly ever getting out on the road. Number 12. Discover the charm of history with this 1965 Chevrolet Classic Monza convertible. This blue convertible with an automatic transmission is available in Cadillac, New York for $7,500. This Chevrolet Monza has a recently rebuilt engine, which looks sparkling clean and has approximately 3,100 miles on it since the rebuild. A new soft top has been installed, and the body is in very good condition with no signs of rust. The interior, while not fully restored, looks tidy and has no significant damage. Currently, the car is not running, although it ran perfectly before, having only put 70 miles on it in the last year. The owner believes the issue is with the fuel system, which is pretty typical for a carbureted car after sitting for a while. The future owner will need to address the odometer, which is stuck at 3,000 miles and needs repair. The heating system works, but the air direction is not adjustable. Also, note the absence of shoulder seat belts, which, by the way, is the reason for the current owner selling it. This Chevrolet Monza is waiting for a new owner ready to bring it back to its former glory and enjoy a classic convertible. The car can be viewed on Wednesday the 21st and Thursday the 22nd. Number 13. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, here's a Cadillac Coupe DeVille from the year 1957, located in Charleston, West Virginia. Its price is $32,000. This beauty boasts 71,000 original miles, runs like a top, and handles like a dream. Under the hood of this Caddy, you'll find the original 365 engine, which fires right up. It's complemented by power steering and power brakes. The automatic transmission was recently rebuilt and shifts like new. The underside is solid and the car is complete from bumper to bumper. Among the amenities that work like new are power windows, a power seat, and even a power antenna. The interior, while showing its age, has that vintage charm you'd expect from a well-preserved classic that's been babied its whole life. The owner is offering this Cadillac Coupe DeVille for $32,000. While a cash sale is preferred, the owner is open to considering trades for classic cars from 1972 and older, as well as trades with cash on top. Number 14. Introducing a classic reimagined. Check out this 1975 Corvette from Allentown, Pennsylvania, listed for $26,500. This Stingray L48 comes equipped with a 350 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, showing only 66,300 original miles. In 1999, it found its current owner and has been lovingly garage kept ever since. The body wears its factory bright blue metallic paint, one of the standout colors for that model year, while the interior maintains its original blue finish. It fires right up, drives strong, and is guaranteed to turn heads everywhere it goes. The 1975 model stands out with its full fiberglass rear bumper, which gives it that quintessential sleek Stingray look. For those who love the wind in their hair, it comes with removable T-tops. The car has always been well maintained, recently received a tune-up and new tires. With a clean title in hand, this Corvette is waiting for someone who truly appreciates a classic. The seller is asking $26,500, no trades, serious inquiries only. Number 15. Looking for a classic off-road adventure? This 1967 Pontiac Firebird is available in Charlton, Massachusetts for $24,995. Under the hood of this Firebird, you'll find a Pontiac WA400 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic TH350 transmission. It has 84,057 miles on the odometer. It drives down the road without any unwanted squeaks or rattles, and the transmission shifts seamlessly. You can see its road manners firsthand by watching a video of it in action. The car's exterior boasts a striking green paint job with no major dents or scratches on the body. The cabin features a black interior. If you're looking for a classic car that's ready to hit the road, the seller offers financing options and can assist with nationwide delivery. Number 16. Introducing a 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe Coupe, waiting for you in Brownstown Township, Michigan. This beauty, with a stick shift and 65,000 miles on the odometer, is available for $22,000. Its body and interior are both finished in a matching green. This Deluxe has been a cherished ride for the seller's folks for more than a decade. Throughout that time, the car consistently fired right up and stuck to the road, demonstrating solid handling. All of the car's systems are in tip-top shape, a claim backed by a thorough inspection it passed for the prior owner. The car is in fantastic shape, and you can tell it's been babied. This Chevy is fully functional and ready to hit the road, offering its new owner a truly dependable ride. Number 17. Take a trip back in time with this 1954 Dodge Royal. This hardtop, hailing from Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, is offered for $25,500. The car features a body in non-original condition with one repaint and is rust-free. 90% of the chrome and stainless steel trim retains its original look. Under the hood is a 241 cubic inch Red Ram Hemi engine, equipped with a rare factory Offenhauser 4-barrel intake manifold and a Carter carburetor. This ensures excellent road performance. With an automatic transmission and 92,000 miles on the odometer, this Dodge is one of 3,850 units produced in 1954. The original interior is in very good shape. Recent maintenance included a new master cylinder, fuel line, radial-wide white-wall tires, and a dual exhaust system. The water pump and voltage regulator were also replaced, and the carburetor was fully rebuilt. While the radio is a bit hit or miss, all other systems function flawlessly, making the car ready for the open road. Number 18. From Pottstown, Pennsylvania, we've got coming our way a 1966 Dodge Coronet 500 valued at $22,500. The seller has already dropped the price and won't go below $22,000 as they're buying real estate. What we have here is a rare convertible, an original 500 model. Under the hood of this green beauty, there's something special brewing. While it originally came with a 318 engine, for the past 20-plus years, a powerful 440 big block has been powering the car. It's only been about 4,000 miles since its rebuild, with the car's total mileage at 34,000 miles. Mated to the engine is a 727 automatic transmission with a 2,800 stall converter, and the rear end features 3.91 gears and an 8.75 differential. The interior and most of the paint are in original condition. This Dodge is a real road-proven classic that's been reliable on trips. Regarding its exterior, it's worth noting there's some minor rust on the body. However, according to the owner, it hasn't spread in the last 20 years. The car's floors and frame are completely solid and very sturdy. Someone's going to get a great ride that's ready to provide plenty of enjoyable miles. Number 19. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic. Up for grabs is this 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne Custom, located in Round Lake, New York. This car stands out with its all-white exterior and interior, setting a clean and distinct tone. Under the hood, you will find a 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, giving you direct control on every drive. The car runs solid and fires up immediately. For peace of mind, it recently received a new battery and a full service. This is not just any Biscayne. It boasts a custom paint job, a unique custom interior, and those sleek shaved door handles for a streamlined look. Complementing its appearance are custom tailpipes, ensuring it sounds as good as it looks. With 68,000 miles on the odometer, this machine is fully ready for the road and its next owner. You can take home this custom 1,958 Chevrolet Biscayne for $28,500. Number 20. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, check out this '73 Dodge Charger SE Brougham from Columbia, Pennsylvania. This car, offered for $26,500, features its original 318 engine with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 62,721 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an Edelbrock intake manifold and carburetor, complemented by headers and a dual exhaust. The body, originally painted B5 blue, has been repainted a bright metallic blue while retaining its vinyl top. The car comes equipped with power steering and power brakes. Inside, you'll be greeted by a blue interior with white bucket seats and a center console featuring a slapstick shifter. This Dodge Charger SE Brougham is listed at $26,500. If this car piques your interest, the seller has other vehicles in their collection as well. Number 21. Imagine the adventures that await you with this 1967 Pontiac Firebird two-door coupe, located in Charlton, Massachusetts. Priced at $42,995, this green Firebird with a black interior shows 60,909 miles on the odometer and offers a real blast to drive. It was part of a collection acquired from a 75-year-old retired race car driver who meticulously built it 25 years ago, making sure it was a real road warrior. Under the hood sits a Y2 code 428 cubic inch V8 engine, enhanced with aluminum Edelbrock Performance RPM heads. This setup not only puts out some serious power, but also produces a killer exhaust note that goes perfectly with its sharp looks. The former owner, Pete, clearly knew his stuff. He started with a solid car and built it to be a real driver. The 428 V8 is paired with a 4-speed stick shift, sending power to a 10-bolt rear end with a posi-traction rear. This combination makes for a thrilling ride that runs as good as it looks. Financing is available for qualified buyers, making this Firebird primed for its next adventure. Number 22. Take a step back in time with this 1976 Cadillac DeVille Coupe two-door, available for $32,000 in Mahwah, New Jersey. This ride boasts just 19,000 original miles and 2 documented owners, coming with the original title and paperwork. The exterior sports code 36 Firethorn metallic paint with a matching red vinyl top, complemented by a 712 dark Firethorn leather interior. Options include an amplitude modulation/frequency modulation, Wonderbar radio, deluxe wire hubcaps, radial tires with the correct white walls, factory pinstriping, floor mats, air conditioning, and a power antenna. Traces of the original window sticker are still present. This DeVille has received diligent attention. The radio was serviced with new speakers, the air conditioning was serviced on R12, and the rear fillers were replaced and trimmed. The engine has been detailed and cleaned, with recent updates including new coil springs, shocks, belts, and fresh fluids. Its unique story begins with a Cadillac assembly line worker who purchased it after retiring. Due to a stroke, he drove it only 3,000 miles before it was acquired by the second owner, an expert in collectible Cadillacs at Dalgleish Cadillac on Woodward Avenue. Number 23. Check out this incredible opportunity to own a 1950 Plymouth Suburban Wagon, available in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, for $49,500. This Plymouth is a fully custom build where every single nut, bolt, and wire has been replaced. The project represented an investment of $100,000 over 10 years, and it was completed 9 years back. Since its complete restoration, this Plymouth has only put 3,304 miles on the odometer. It's been meticulously kept, never seeing rain or a hose wash. Under the hood, you'll find a 360 small block engine cranking out over 300 horsepower, mated to a 727 automatic transmission. Out on the road, it sports a Heights independent rear suspension, a $14,000 component with 308 gears for smooth highway cruising, complemented by a Mustang Fatman front suspension and Wildwood four-wheel disc brakes. The interior is 100% restored and designed to be super comfortable, easily accommodating even someone 6 feet 1 inch tall. The exterior sports a blue finish. Considering the extensive customization and the significant investment that went into its creation, this Plymouth delivers a truly refined and complete driving experience. '24. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard, presenting a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette convertible located in Chester, New Jersey. This blue two-door convertible could be yours for $49,900. It's back on the market, as the previous buyer had to back out of the deal for reasons unrelated to the car, making this a fresh opportunity for interested parties. Under the hood, you'll find a 327 cubic inch engine packing 340 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer reads 37,000 miles, and it's important to note that the engine block number matches the vehicle identification number. The car drives great and is a real driver's car, and its looks certainly turn heads. While there isn't extensive documentation on the car, its condition allows you to hit the road right away. The paint is the result of an older repaint, and there's some fiberglass repair on the front clip, but it still presents well. It's ready for new adventures on the open road, offering plenty of spirited driving. Number 25. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS. This red convertible from Narragansett, Rhode Island, can be yours for $49,500. Under the hood of this Impala SS sits a 327 cubic inch engine with a 4-barrel carburetor paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The car has 54,247 miles. The body is in excellent condition with no rust or rot and a clean frame. It recently got a new exhaust system. The car features a perfect black top with a glass rear window, and its black interior rates a 9 out of 10. The chrome and bumpers look great, and the factory AM radio is fully functional. This car has only had 3 owners and comes with its original Protecto plates. There are 4 small patina chips on the red paint. This is a cash-only deal in person. Number 26. Take a journey back to 1954 with this Ford Club Wagon Passenger. Introducing a 1954 Ford Custom Ranch Wagon from Holmdel, New Jersey, available for $48,000. This vehicle has been completely customized. Its body has been chopped and channeled, giving it a distinctive stance. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 engine, paired with an R700 automatic transmission. Since the build, it's only racked up 3,000 miles on the odometer. Step inside and you'll find an interior trimmed in white cashmere leather, equipped with full power amenities for maximum comfort, along with modern Bluetooth connectivity. Outside, the vehicle sports a vibrant orange finish. All these elements have been meticulously assembled and perfected. This Ford isn't just a driver, it's a show winner. Its features, from the custom bodywork to the cashmere interior, showcase a true attention to detail. With such a history of customizations and awards already under its belt, it's ready to offer its new owner more than just a cruise down the roads of New Jersey. Number 27. Today, we have a fantastic find. This 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, located in Durham, Connecticut. This blue Corvette, sporting a black interior, is packing a 427 cubic inch engine that puts out 390 horsepower. Power is routed through a 4-speed manual transmission, promising a raw driving experience. This car was the subject of an extensive 5-year restoration. The work included a complete engine overhaul, a new interior, and a fresh top. The suspension was also completely refreshed. Since these extensive works were completed, the Corvette has only clocked 310 miles, essentially a fresh start. The results of the restoration have already paid off. At an exclusive Corvette show, the car took first place in its class and was awarded Best in Show. This 1968 Chevrolet Corvette is being offered for $55,000. Considering the meticulous 5-year restoration, the show win, and the minimal mileage since the work was completed, this price reflects the effort put in and the proven quality. Number 28. This two-door hardtop 1964 Chevrolet Impala from Amherst, Ohio is going for $43,000. This car has a long history, having been with its second owner since 1972 and boasting a clean title. The Impala underwent a full frame-off restoration, including new floor pans, a new trunk pan, a new engine, a new transmission, and all new wiring. Under the hood is an SB 350 engine, decked out with a Holly Street Avenger 570 carburetor, a Comp Cam camshaft, and headers. The automatic floor shift transmission comes equipped with a performance shift kit and a one-piece drive shaft, ensuring smooth cruising down the road. The car's red exterior is adorned with octane lighting halo headlights, side marker lights, and 2 power antennas in the rear. The interior is finished in black. Inside, you'll find a modern Kenwood audio system with compact disc/digital versatile disc, universal serial bus, and Bluetooth connectivity, which hooks up to dual front and rear speakers, as well as 2 10-inch built-in subwoofers mounted under the rear deck. This beauty has clocked 126,185 miles. Purchasing this Chevrolet Impala is handled through Key Savvy Escrow, ensuring a secure and transparent transaction.